I mean, yeah, like you're about to like
No.
reveal some bullshit. What the fuck?
Oh, you recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh shit.
Hey y'all.
What's going on?
Okay. Hi. This is weird to even be talking to y'all on YouTube. Like, y'all know we haven't done YouTube in like forever.
It's been a while.
So, back to what else did we were gonna bring up? Oh, that we are going to be moving forward with talking about family healing and self-reflection and looking at yourselves in such a huge perspective, so you can start to clean up some of the mess you've made, because we make our own messes, and it's time for us to see that we've made the mess and we have to be the ones to fix it, that we got to stop depending on others to fix it, and we can't keep not moving forward because we're still hurt about some shit. So we have a lot we want to talk about. We are still healing. I don't think, and we thought, what better way? Then I didn't want to go back to
The Porch Chronicles.
yeah.
No more The Porch Chronicles.
It's hot as fuck out there.
Yeah.
This is South Mississippi.
A lot of great things said on the porch, but
We'll
we
just
gotta
bring
it to
we're gonna bring it to the loft.
yeah.
Yeah.
Bring it to the spot.
A little business update. We are going to do the workshops once a year now. We're not going to do 3 the whole summer. I think I've said that several times on lives and stuff, but I'm saying it officially here. It's like this past drop was a very huge challenge for us, because yeah, I know we had it the earlier part of the month, and then we had our June workshop, so we didn't actually start on this drop till the 16th, to the middle of the month. So, and I'm still very proud of us.
Yeah, we worked our ass.
Yes,
Our butts.
we put in the work real hard to get all that stuff made and finished and shipped. We finally finished everybody today, and it is the 5th. So I think people assume that, oh yeah, you passed your 30 days. Like, honey, we just started 2 weeks ago, to be honest. And it wasn't a huge drop. It wasn't one that we haven't had before, but to finish it that soon and then be short on supplies, because we let the girls run wild with our fragrances, and oh Jesus,
We were like fresh off a workshop hangover.
Yes.
Just jumped right straight into work. Like, and we jumping back into it.
Yeah, like, I mean, same thing with this one. Like, we are done with this drop, about to get started on our workshops this Monday. So we're excited to get our girls here. We don't have 3 this time, which I'm grateful it's only 3. We didn't realize how expensive this could get. So that's why, like, when y'all be like, well, you should come here, you should come there, that's gonna cost.
Please.
I mean, like, it's gonna cost to have it all set up, and if you're gonna do it the way we do it in class, it would cost, y'all. So if anybody can think of a way that it could be cheaper, and we can still put on a really good workshop, yeah, I'd be definitely love to hear about it, because I don't see it. And even in our location, providing what is really truly needed to give a good experience, it costs. And then we couldn't really put it on the way I wanted to put it on, because everybody wasn't able to come that paid the deposit. So that kind of threw things really whack. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
That'd be something sort of like the tour, but that we don't need that back. It was some money spent, and we didn't, we kind of broke even.
Yeah, we did not.
Get paid.
We did not break even. What the hell do you mean? We did not break even. We did not manage well. That was all us stuff. We learned from that. We're moving on from that. Yeah, like, that goal is to get shipping down to within 15 days. So after the end of year sale, and depending how things are, or what we may bring back. It will go back to like a limited situation because we're getting to where there's too many issues with Shopify not giving us the correct number of products. That's nothing I want to get on here and rant about. That's what it's, it's a back end business thing. Some of them definitely talk about in the workshops, because you're going to deal with Shopify, then they have some errors. And and when I try to explain to them what I'm seeing happen, they're like, oh well. And so we're getting to where we're not.
Stuff ain't matching up.
Yes. And we got to get it to a point where it needs to match up, because we are spending more money than we have to on things that we don't necessarily need, or we're not getting what we need in time because it's the count is off. So yeah, some changes are going to be made soon. So if we are a super favorite and you want to be able to get your stuff, it would definitely have to be on time type of thing, because we have to get ourselves back to a point where we see plus side, the plus side, or goodbye. So this drop started on what, May 30th?
Right.
No, this is July. What the fuck?
It's July.
It's July. So this was on June 30th. This drop started on June 30th, which means the store is still open, and we're gonna let it stay open to the end of the workshop. For one, most of our people who from this previous drop have not received their products yet, and I do want to give them a chance to order if they, like, oh my god, I love it, I need more. Shop is still open, because we actually cannot even start on that drop until after this workshop is over.
You got a little more chance to get in there and get some.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave the store open to the end of the week, and we'll tally up everything and get you guys stuff made, and hopefully we pull a miracle like we did this time.
We some miracle workers though.
I mean, like when we get up, when we get the hell on up. Once we get on up out the bed, then we get at it. It's go time. So yeah, we got a lot planned coming up for the vlog. Start sharing more hair tutorials with you guys. I'm going to be introducing something very, very special that I'm working on that I think my veterans will super love. I can't wait to introduce it, y'all. I'm going to introduce it with the end of year sale, and because I'm still in the testing phase and making sure it's exact recipe of what I want before I put it out there. Y'all know I'm bad about putting shit out there and then not.
We're working on that too. We're working on that too, probably.
I know, I gotta stop doing that. I got to stop saying I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. I remember tour Atlanta at the table, at the dinner table. Remember I announced that I'm writing a book? What a book is? I started on the first page, and it wasn't feeling right, y'all. Honestly, it was so much more to the story to tell. So
from then and that happened, and this thing we had to go through, so we had to work on ourselves, and just stuff happened. We gotta move on.
Yeah.
We're moving on.
Yeah, and we're gonna move on with being able to share some of this with y'all, and because we feel like a lot of y'all are going through a lot of this, and that some of it is so deep that it's so hard to talk about out loud, and even folks who go to a therapist don't feel that they can truly trust that person to the point of telling them how they really, truly feel. The only person you honestly owe the truth to is yourself. So as long as you're able to tell yourself the truth and then do something about that truth, then you're already on the right path. We'll be dropping more, so you guys subscribe and like this video, and drop a comment on what you guys want to see from us soon, or what subjects you guys want us to break down for you, because I'm almost positive I've seen all of the family issues. Every one of them, I'll be able to give you a perspective on. We both would. So.
Got stories to tell. If y'all got time to listen, we tell straight from Suntag, Mississippi. Oh my God.
story to tell. Lord.
Can't help it.
Bye, y'all. Mwah.
Peace.